One of the other brand new products I'm really excited about is this L'Oreal Lumi Shake and Glow Dew Mist. And it is a setting spray, but it kind of has multi-functions too. You can also use it to refresh your face. So let me tell you a little bit more about it. It says Dewy Glow Multitasking Mist. What is it for? To prime and hydrate, to fix, and to refresh. What's the look? Extends makeup wear, natural looking finish, and non-greasy. All right, so let's try it out. The name is Shake and Glow, so we better shake that baby up. And just a pump spray. Let's give it a shot. It is really refreshing. Beautiful, very light, gentle fragrance to it. So if you're sensitive to fragrance, just be advised. Look at the look. It really is dewy. I think it's a nice young look too, which is certainly desirable at times. My skin both looks and feels refreshed, so I'm pretty happy about that. I feel really nice. The feeling of it is kind of like, ooh, you know how when you're under the misters and a hot summer day and it just kind of cools you off? Feels like that, but prettier.